Get out of my compound. Get out of my house. Get out of my compound. You're trespassing. You're supposed to be officers of the law. Get out of my compound. Take a call now. We better live.
Take a care.
Be on camera. Take a call. Get out of my compound now. Okay? You can use your guns on me if you want. Get out of my compound. Be live. All of you, go. Mugende, mwena. Out.
Don't want to with him.
Be ashamed of yourself. You're putting in a national uniform with a badge. You're trespassing. You can't even explain yourself.
Bayuzizza gundi waya z'amasanyalaze eza security ne babuka ekikomera. Era poliisi erina okusasula.
Sheriff, keep your camera on. The world is watching you. Get out of my compound.
Banaye mukyali mu gundi mu kifo kye mutasa agamba nti kyammwe. Wabweru wa gate is where you belong. If you want to offer us security today.
Are you calling the owner of the house?
Oh, yo yakubira nnyini wano.
He's calling the owner of the house to tell him whether or not to stay. You know? Just get out of my house. Get out of my compound. Is that too much to ask of you? On top of the property.
Nabagambye
They
dda.
don't know why they're here. You people, we have no problem with you, but somebody is making you break the law. Okay? You know you were not trained to break the law. Get out of my property.
In fact, there's nothing unlawful with you disobeying unlawful order. There's nothing, you know that.
Tuchakkirira bannange. Tukyali walako.
Bane ne wano mukyali munda mufulume wakawa.
Gate ekyali walako eri wansi.
Bayitirawo sebo. Don't worry, you're live. The whole world is watching you.
You're a celebrity today.
Yeah, today you are a celebrity. So
This is the commander of the team. We sympathize with your troubles, but the law allows you to disobey unlawful order.
because you're personally going to be liable for what you're doing. Because you know what you're doing is wrong. You have 5 minutes. Okay? Ngenda kutembwa zange either muzikuba amasasi oba mufulume ng'engoye za muzirisa. So please get out of my compound. Get out of my compound, officer, please. Okay, you've already committed crimes there. You've tortured my employee. Now get out. You have everybody's face?
Yeah.
Remember Mulabi? Look. Yeah. You're breaking the law. You're supposed to be officers.
Nabagambye abasajja bano bazibu nnyo. Olwaleero simanyi kye batwagaza. Mumakaage kesime.
Get out of my house.
Lindako.
You're supposed to be officers of the law.
Bakwagaza ki? Bakwagaza ki?
Get out of my home.
Askari waffe aliwa.
Bamusibi oyo amukutte.
Askari waffe bamuzze.
No, baby, to send me.
Lwaki nedda?
Good.
Mama genda.
Yeah, bring him here where I am. Hey, mulete. Nyimiridde wano mu mulete.
Mukubya askari wange muze muntu chalinga katate muwambya makagange.
Everyone online, the police officers
Get out
are
of
in
my
our
home.
compound right
Okay,
now.
Just get out of my home.
Yeah. Bring our askari and then move.
Bamukubye sheriff bamuseewo ne bamukubakuba.
Mbadde ndaba. I filmed them live.
Oh, perfect.
Yes, yeah.
Perfect.
Mbadde mbalaba.
Perfect.
I filmed them.
Get out of my home.
It's on Facebook.
You are under the law. You are officers of the law. You cannot break the law with impunity. Mujja kisasulira mwenna. I can tell you. Get out. Temuli bagulu b'amateeka mwe basajja mwe. Get out. You are on camera. This camera is more powerful than your guns. Out, all of you.
Naye honorable bamutwala wa. Nze nsitumya askari kugulirawo honorable nsimu. Bamulete. Nze nfuluma nabo. Bamulete askari waffe.
Let them be on camera. Those criminals. Where's my employee? He opened the
Obwedda bakonkona. Abo bola babayuzizza ekikomera kyaffe ne bayingira pakaawo. Yeah, mumutuwe.
Make sure he comes in.
Kati munda mbadde muno namoki. Olala mutubuulireze enfumbe chai n'akatogo. Olala mumbuulira ne mbafumbira chai n'akatogo amazi. Twishime. Twishime se wiriwe. Watuzaniye omuhungusi. Muzane leero.
Mulete. No, there's a limit to power. No, these are criminals. These are criminals. Surely. They grabbed me off the plane. The arm twisted me. Anyway. Let's get a move this. Get out of my home. Get out. I'm waiting for you, sir.
That's why I'm calm. You know, never humiliated all this person. You trained officer.
Ne bagitwala. Tujja ggula endala. They can't kill the evidence. It's online.
Sheriff bamutadde.
Bamuleeta. Twishime agambye amuleeta. Gwe nninze.
Bamutadde wa sheriff.
Mu kimotoka wali mbadde mbalaba.
Kwatirako kati ngenze munona oba edaba.
Bamutuwe anti. Mumutuwe. Ali awo mwe emotoka olaba wali tata wali kugundi ku mudalasini ekyo kimotoka ekinene ekya blue ku mudalasini kwayo vakedo
batwale oba bampagadi wange bamumpe one of the two. Bakubi. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Bakubye. Bakubye. Bakubye wa.
No, they squeezed him. I saw him. They were squeezing him balls, and I was seeing.
Oh no! Bayizizza empale ye. Olaba bagizizza. Bakujjemu engoye zonna. What kind of criminals are these? Mukulembedde baani? Mwe muli balala. Mbadde mbagatta mu bali ate kati.
Be strong.
Look. Baba kye bamukoze. Bamuyiziza empale ne bamunyiga obusolo. These criminals. Chegera. Reached here, opened for him. He tortured him.
Baba zipera mtwana kano kabuni bali sikade mkano kabesti ngakasiyo bali ngizako kwa maragamba ara swali koja mukamba leno msadi
This strong, this is part of our struggle. No, we